Hel- Hello, good. Hello, good afternoon. I introduce myself. My name is Diana Patricia Blake Garcia. I am from the city of Monterrey. Like everyone, I have wish I like my free wish I don't finish my professional career. I also want to apply for a job and practice here. I want to do especialization in children psychology. I want my children to finish their study and prepare for good future. I want to travel and head to many countries. I want my kids in my league. Live happy and comfortable. I want this country to improve and there are good people. I want to have hope and have a good salary. I want help for my family. I want my children are great professionals. I want to have good friends. And finally, I want to have a best mate. I wish that God bless us and fulfill and test wish since I can do everything I, s- I say when we take you very, very much. Thank you.